Matsi, 60 kilograms. Ritesh, India. Mira, Kazakhstan.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, but
Points correct.
was
but
so
it
quick
was,
action
yes,
and
but
I
it
did.
was a foul.
Yeah, I saw
Okay.
by the red. Yes.
Yes, I think by the, so
I'm not
caution-
sure
caution
because
one.
they were so quick.
There was a signal foul.
There was a
by
sig-
red. So, one, caution, okay? One, signal foul. Greco-Roman.
Yes. But
Caution
I think
two.
if after this caution there was some points by
And
red.
yes.
there was. So we need to get
Yes,
red.
so,
Yeah.
okay, so it was caution two, okay? Show your caution two for
And
signal.
Parter.
And the partner, okay? And they will decide. Here, let's look at me, okay? Caution two, okay? Agree, okay? For Siglet. Partner.
Matsi, 60 kilograms. Imre Chulhaz, Hungary. Mika Noel Labes, Germany. We remind the team leaders that the technical conference with the draw for women's style will be held after the end of the morning session near the ballroom.
Okay.
I repeat, the technical conference and the draw for women's wrestling will be held after the end of the morning session near the ballroom.
Correct?
On mat B, 45 kilogram category, Yash Kashinath